Welcome to Japan. How are you? My name is Masaki. I go on a trip to SIZUOKA prefecture, Shimoda City. Shimoda City is known for open port by convention of Kanagawa. I take a special express train, Super View Odoriko, from heart of Tokyo to伊豆Shimoda. The time required for train is approximately 2 hours. Super View Odoriko is different from local train. This train has large windows in order to enjoy beautiful scenery. As you might already know, one of the pleasures of rail travel is eating ekiben, a station lunch. I just arrived at伊豆Shimoda station. Now, let's go to the Nesugatayama. This mountain is famous for a grand sight. In addition, as famous for matchmaking, though I think it's not my business. You can get to the top by a ropeway. It is 200 meters high. From top of the mountain, you can take a bird's eye view of the Shimoda Bay, where Commander Perry has arrived in 1854. How about Instagram? I'll show you Instagrammable place in Shimoda. This is cave by the name of Ryugukutsu. Wave cut the cliff for a long time by the power of nature. People like to take photos of this place and post on Instagram. I'm here on the top. Have you already understood? You can see heart shape. I stayed at観音温泉, Japanese traditional inn. Was so good. Surprisingly, there is an onsen, hot spring, in guest room. These hot springs, surrounded by hinoki, a Japanese cypress, are believed to be effective for making skin smooth and beautiful. Next day, I took part in Shimoda Bay cruising. The view was completely different from top of mountain yesterday. Many seagulls are flying low. Seagulls are swarming to food like this. Let's move on to next place. I'm here in Shimoda Aquarium. I think this place really looks like the movie of Deep Blue Sea. Oops, do I find out sharks? Jesus, you can get across, look at dolphins. I lost my heart to them. You have a chance to touch or feed.
メートルぐらいですかね。これぐらいまで大きく成長していきます。そしてこのイルカという動物ですね、こういった姿、形からたまに魚の仲間なんじゃないかと思っている方もいらっしゃいますが、魚では、はい、ありません。哺乳類です。私たちと同じですね。まず泳ぎ方が違います。
すごい。
魚尾びれ左右に振りますが、イルカは縦に動かします。こんな感じ。さあ、分かりやすいよう強調しながら泳いでくれました。こちらドルフィンキック。さっきお話ししました全身の筋肉を使うことで、こうやって重たい体も持ち上げていくことができるんです。
Thank you for watching. See you next time. I hope you enjoy Japan trip.